Hey fam, what's good? We are about to embark on an exciting journey today. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Mexico, a country bursting with vibrant culture, rich history, and endless adventures. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the serene beaches of the Yucatan Peninsula, there's something here for everyone. And let's not forget the food. Oh, the food. Imagine biting into a freshly made taco, the flavors dancing on your taste buds. Street food here is an experience in itself, with markets brimming with colorful produce and aromatic spices. But beyond the cities and the food, Mexico is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Seriously, Mexico is like Mother Nature's VIP lounge. It's got it all. From the dense green rainforests teeming with life to the stark, beautiful deserts that stretch as far as the eye can see. And let's not forget the stunning coastlines that offer breathtaking views and endless opportunities for adventure. This place is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an incredible array of ecosystems. Whether you're trekking through the jungle, exploring the desert, or diving into the ocean, you'll encounter a world of wonder at every turn. But here's the thing, within this incredible array of life, there are some seriously rare creatures just vibing in the shadows. These elusive animals are often hidden from plain sight, making them all the more fascinating. Imagine stumbling upon a creature you've never seen before, something so rare that it feels like you've discovered a hidden treasure. Get ready to meet 10 rare animals from Mexico you probably didn't even know existed. From the mysterious jaguar to the colorful quetzal, these animals are not just rare, but also incredibly unique. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure like no other as we explore the hidden gems of Mexico's wildlife. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First up, we've got the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. This fascinating creature is native to the lakes underlying Mexico City, particularly Lake Xochimilco. But hold up, this little guy isn't actually a fish. He's a salamander. Unlike most salamanders, axolotls retain their larval features throughout their lives, a condition known as neoteny. This means they keep their gills and stay aquatic, never fully transitioning to land. And not just any salamander, this dude is like the Deadpool of the amphibian world. Why, you ask? Well, it's all about their incredible regenerative abilities. Why? Because he can regenerate. If an axolotl loses a limb, it can grow it back perfectly. And not just limbs. They can regenerate parts of their spinal cord, heart, and even parts of their brain. This makes them a subject of intense scientific research. Lost a limb? No problem. The axolotl just grows a new one. Talk about superpowers. Imagine if humans had this ability. It would revolutionize medicine and healing. The axolotl just grows a new one. Talk about superpowers. Their regenerative capabilities are so advanced that scientists are studying them to understand how we might harness similar abilities in humans. Sadly, these little regenerating wonders are critically endangered. Once abundant in the wild, their numbers have drastically declined due to various human activities. Pollution, habitat loss, and even people snatching them up for the pet trade have put them in a tough spot. Conservation efforts are underway, but it's a race against time to save these unique creatures. If we don't act soon, the real-life Deadpool might disappear forever. Next up, let's talk about the Vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered marine mammal. These adorable little porpoises are only found in a tiny section of Mexico's Gulf of California. And when I say tiny, I mean it. There are fewer vaquitas left than there are iPhones in my apartment, and trust me, that's saying something. What's pushing them to the edge? Sadly, it's us. They often get caught as bycatch in fishing nets, and their habitat is being destroyed. We gotta do better, fam. Okay, let's talk about the Mexican gray wolf, the underdog of the canine world. Once on the brink of extinction, these majestic wolves were nearly wiped out by hunting and habitat loss. But don't worry, there's a glimmer of hope. Thanks to some serious conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs and reintroduction into the wild, the Mexican gray wolf is slowly making a comeback. It's a long road ahead, but we're rooting for them. Number 4, Ocelot, the feline phantom of the forest. Get ready to be mesmerized by the ocelot, a stunning wild cat with a coat so beautiful it puts leopard print to shame. These elusive creatures are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the dappled light of the rainforest. They're like the ninjas of the cat world, but their beauty has made them a target for poachers, and habitat loss is also a major threat. We need to protect these gorgeous creatures. Number 5. Cozumel Raccoon Island life ain't easy. Now let's hop over to an island where we'll find the Cozumel raccoon, a unique subspecies of raccoon that's only found on, you guessed it, Cozumel Island. These little guys are like the ultimate island party animals, but their island paradise is shrinking. Habitat loss due to development and the introduction of invasive species are putting the squeeze on these furry islanders. Number 6. Mexican prairie dog. Tiny architects, big problems. Don't let their size fool you. Mexican prairie dogs are ecological rock stars. These industrious rodents are like the architects of the grasslands, their burrows providing homes for a whole host of other animals. But sadly, these little ecosystem engineers are facing some big problems. Habitat loss due to agriculture and disease outbreaks have decimated their populations. We need to protect these little guys. They're vital to the health of the grasslands. Jaguarundi, the cat that's always up to something. Have you ever seen a cat that looks like a cross between a weasel and a puma? Well, say hello to the Jaguarundi, a unique and somewhat goofy-looking wild cat that's always up to something. These sleek felines are found in a variety of habitats, from forests to grasslands. Like many animals on our list, they're facing threats from habitat loss and hunting. Let's give them the space they need to thrive. Get ready to meet the Baird's tapir, a large herbivorous mammal that's like the gardener of the rainforest. These gentle giants play a crucial role in seed dispersal, which helps keep the rainforest healthy and thriving. But deforestation and hunting are taking a toll on their populations. We need to protect these forest gardeners. Number 9. If you're ever in the Yucatan Peninsula and you hear a blood-curdling scream echoing through the trees, don't worry, it's just the Yucatan black howler monkey saying, "Hello." These primates are known for their incredibly loud calls which can travel for miles through the forest. They're also incredibly social animals, living in groups of up to 100 individuals. Sadly, habitat loss and hunting are threatening their survival. Let's keep the forest quiet. Number 10. Last but not least, we've got the Mexican beaded lizard, a venomous reptile that's as quirky as it is dangerous. These lizards are slow-moving and generally docile, but if you mess with them, they'll let you know they're not to be trifled with. Their venomous bite is incredibly painful, but luckily they're not aggressive towards humans unless provoked. So admire them from a distance and we'll all be good. And there you have it, fam. We've just scratched the surface of the incredible biodiversity that Mexico has to offer. 10 rare animals from Mexico that prove this country is basically a real-life Pokemon Go. From the mystical axolotl, which can regenerate its limbs, to the elusive jaguar that roams the dense jungles, Mexico is a treasure trove of unique wildlife. Seriously, from regenerating salamanders to screaming monkeys, Mexico's got it all. The howler monkey, known for its loud calls that can be heard miles away, and the colorful quetzal bird with its vibrant plumage, are just a few examples of the wonders you can find. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to book a flight and go on a wildlife adventure. Imagine trekking through lush rainforests, spotting these incredible creatures in their natural habitats, and experiencing the thrill of discovering something new at every turn. Don't forget to smash that like button. And let me know in the comments which animal surprised you the most. Was it the axolotl with its superpowers, or perhaps the stealthy jaguar? I love hearing your thoughts and learning about your favorite wildlife encounters. New channel here, hoping to be around and grow to provide fun and informative facts of this wonderful kingdom of animals. Until next time, stay curious, my friends. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and never lose that sense of wonder. The world is full of amazing creatures and places just waiting to be explored. Stay wild, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next adventure.